Good morning, YouTube. Thursday, November 6th. Back at it. It's around 8:43 a.m. You see what's going on. You see what's going on. About to jump in this board course. Get to it. For all you guys, man, that are just watching, please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, turn on your post notifications so you can know when Anthony, the handyman, is dropping a video. I appreciate everyone so far for viewing and watching my shorts. The videos will get better. That's all I got for you right now. I just want to tap in with you guys for a second. You know I'm addicted to Starbucks, right? If y'all ain't had it, try that brown sugar shaken espresso. I've been drinking them things for almost 5 years. I've probably missed 30 days. No, maybe 20 days, 4 or 5 years. Every morning have to have one of those. Hey, don't judge me. Everybody has their niche. Some things are great. The Venti comes with like 4 or 5 shots of espresso. The Grande comes with like 3. Sometimes I get extra. But I have to have those. I have to have my double smoked bacon sandwich and my brown sugar shaken espresso every morning before work. This is something I wanted to share with you guys. Part of my YouTube journey. I've been thinking about it for a long time. I've never really been good in front of the camera or speaking into the camera and trying to act like myself. You know, everybody tries to put on an image. Not everybody, but you guys know the people that put on that image in front of that camera. And I'm not trying to be that person. I'm trying to be me and just show you my everyday life, my work, what I love to do, and take you guys along the ride with me. And if you guys see something in one of my videos that you don't agree on, constructive criticism is always good. Don't bash me. Just say, hey, bro, I would have did it like this, or try this way. And I always got an open ear. When I have people that work for me, sometimes they show me something that I didn't know, or an easier way to do something. So you can take something from everyone and put all that together and make it your own way. I've been through ups and downs with my life. Just blessed to be where I'm at today in my life. I'm not the man I want to be, but I'm the man that I need to be right now, if that makes sense. I just say, man, I support the BTA movement, belt to ass movement, all around life, man. BTA. When it comes to being a dad, a husband, a worker, whatever you do, just do it, man. Hustle hard and grind. Like, I know people have different situations and some things are harder for others, but don't make that excuse. Just put them boots on the ground in the morning, man, and go to work, make money, save, and progress. And don't be afraid to ask for help if you need help. But I just wanted to share that with you guys this morning on this beautiful Thursday morning. A little overcast. I'll tap back in with you guys shortly. See it, man. I wasn't playing no games. Brown sugar shaken espresso. Here I come. Just had that coffee. Brown sugar shaken espresso. Salute to Starbucks. About to pull up to Home Depot to grab this shower door. It's like partial frameless shower door, glass shower door. Have to do the install on it. Probably take a couple hours, but I'm gonna bring y'all along for the journey for the install. So I'll tap back in with you guys when I get to Home Depot. So I'm here at Home Depot, everybody. One of my favorite stores. I gotta get a couple things. I'm waiting on my shower door to be brought to the pro desk. I need to get me a couple cement bits. You gotta have bits to go through the tile because it is going against a tile wall on a shower. So you definitely need these right here, everybody. And probably could also use like a shower, a tile bit. It's like a circle bit that has a hole in the middle, and then you could put an anchor if you need to. I'm gonna tap back in with you guys. Here we are, everybody. We got the shower door. Took them 6 hours to bring it out. Now I'm gonna try to get it loaded. See if I can get some help real quick. My apologies, man. I left you guys out here. Just the process of unboxing this shower door. I don't have a stand yet, everybody, so bear with me. I am on the 3rd story in a condominium unit. with you, man. I'm gonna chat back.
All right, guys. First process, I'm gonna vacuum all this old glass. So what happened was, the customer, the people that did the last frame just glued it in, and they had the piece that goes on the ground that holds the two doors together and they slide, it's a slide. They only had it glued, so it came apart and made the old glass come out and fall and shatter. So that's why we're replacing it and putting a new one in. So I gotta get all this old glass up. It's gonna be loud for a second. I'll probably edit that out, but yeah, just hang on for a ride, everybody. I hope you're enjoying my content so far. Please leave comments, tell me what I can do better, what y'all wanna see. Y'all wanna see more how to do or whatever it is, just leave a comment. Please try not to leave any hate comments, guys. Let's just bring positive energy, bring positive into the world. And let's do it. Let's get it, everybody. If you haven't subscribed, it's free, so please subscribe. It'll help me get monetized.
First came here, the one thing I asked you to do is to make sure that goes on.
Oh yeah, so that's here somewhere?
Well, it was actually, there's a hole over there on the roof.
Oh, right here. So this, you want to put it back here?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah, because it was glued on also,
I
it
got
just kind of slipped, but yeah. It's your phone anchor at the moment.
Yeah.
If you want, I don't know if I have a better one, but yeah. We're good. The thing came off the track. The door, Christmas Day, I tried to put it up and it was
Yeah,
so
it's heavy, yeah.
And I dropped it on my toe, broke it. So that's fun.
Go down and grab the collar. Put the rails on the sides, and then it calls for the bottom rail this to be silicone to the ground into the grooves of the side rails. Make sure everything's level because it's going to be square so the door will hang properly, guys. That first rail on, got the bottom rail siliconed, and now put this right rail on. Trust me. we're trying to get the anchors in, and they're not going all the way in, there's only a little bit. Instead of trying to hollow out the hole even worse, we know it's in there good. I just cut the little tip off with a razor. Still gonna get that connection like it should. Just a tiny bit off. Not even an 1/8 of an inch, like a 1/16 of an inch. Oh, DeWalt, overrated. I like Arobi. A lot of people are going to Milwaukee, but I got Arobi. I got DeWalt. See it? It's the rail, side rail, bottom rail, other side rail. So these are what the doors slide into, everybody. They're little grooves, and they got a little rubber in them. Sometimes it's better to use a screwdriver for old stuff like this because you don't want to drill out the hole because there's too much pressure. So just remember, go slow, and when it's tight, it's tight. So I'm doing another process out here where I'm putting the doors together. It's just putting these onto the door on the top so it can go up on the rail. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. And what do you know? Just like that. Looks beautiful. Perfect slide. Slide. Thank you for everybody tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Know what you think about the shower door. Perfectly squared. Okay, everybody, thank you for blowing my heart. I love y'all. Please share, like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you know when Anthony the Handyman is dropping his videos. Thank you, and I am out. And just like that, we're done and out of here. It's raining. Yep, happy customer. She was happy in the work. Yeah, good day, everybody.